In today's video, we take a short flight over a swamp near Carleton Place, Ontario. It always amazes me the difference when you view something from the top down. This swamp was full of absolutely beautiful colors. From the ground, you could only see the trees. You couldn't see the rust color of the different plants and shrubs. The tamaracks have turned an absolutely beautiful golden yellow and orange color as fall comes to an end and winter is near. The morning was cold, crisp, and clear, and we arrived just before sunrise. It was misty, and there was lots of frost on the bullrushes. A few of my friends from the photography club went with me this morning, and we all were able to get some amazing shots as the sun rose across the swamp. Be sure to watch to the end of the video to see some of the photos I took with my Fuji from the side of the road. Well, after another successful drone flight and another successful photo-taking adventure with some great friends, we decided it was time to seek shelter in the warmth, get some nice warm breakfast, and a nice hot coffee for the trip home. Well, thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. We really appreciate it.